In this video, I will share with you how to open Banco BPM account online. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for Banco BPM, open account. Click the first result here, as you can see here. And then when you click the first result, you will see this page. So guys, click the first page, open account. After that, you have an online account. If I see this Google, you can choose open it online. You can choose any branch, for example, this one, click one. After that, click I declare and then I continue. When you click continue, you will see this page. After that, you will see this page, guys. All you have to do, write your all details, such your name, email address, and surname. Write your all details. Choose your residence, your tax, physical residence. Write your phone number here. And then if you don't forget your number, just click forget your numbers. And then click I declare that have carefully read all information here. And click save and continue. So guys, this case from here. After that, friends, when you write your phone number, and confirmations, for example, I write this one for passenger, and then all you have to do, click valid. After that, you will see next steps here. Upload your document and your all information. You can easily open your account. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.